Liandong Ruixin Technology Co., Ltd. Focused on linear motion technology, precision manufacturing every linear module. Liandong Ruixin is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of linear modules and motion control systems. Every step is strictly controlled, from raw materials to finished products. High precision, high speed, stable and reliable, flexible customization incorporates advanced industrial robots and intelligent manufacturing systems, equipped with multiple precision machining and assembly lines. Provides customized products and professional technical support based on customer needs. Focuses on every detail to create reliable and durable products. Continuously optimizes production processes to improve efficiency and product consistency. Grows together with customers to achieve long-term cooperative success.